Welcome to the Shadowing Challenge, a fun and powerful way to improve your English speaking and listening skills. This challenge is brought to you by Easy English Journey, where learning English is simple, friendly, and step-by-step. In this episode, you will repeat after me and practice speaking English clearly and confidently. I'll say a sentence, then you will have time to repeat it. Ready? Let's get started. Hi everyone. Welcome to Easy English Journey podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. Hello, Anna, and hello to all our lovely listeners.
We're so happy to have you here. Today we're talking about something very simple but very useful: daily routines.
Yes, we all have routines, right? Things we do every day, in the morning, during the day, and in the evening.
Exactly. This is a great topic for beginners. You'll learn basic verbs and expressions, and we'll repeat them a few times so you can remember them better.
That's right. And don't forget, if you like learning with us, please follow the podcast, give it a like, and share it with your friends.
We'd love that. And tell us in the comments, what's your daily routine?
Okay, Anna, let's start. What do you do in the morning?
Well, I usually wake up at 7. I wake up at 7. Not too early, not too late.
Nice. I usually wake up at 6:30. So, I wake up and then I get out of bed.
Yes, me too. Get out of bed, that's the first real step of the day.
After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same here, brush my teeth, wash my face. Every single day.
Then I go to the kitchen. I usually make breakfast.
Oh, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread, sometimes cereal, and always tea.
I love tea too, but I usually have coffee and toast. Sometimes a banana or an apple.
Sounds healthy. After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose my clothes and I put them on.
Right, get dressed means put on your clothes. Then I put on my shoes and my jacket.
Put on my shoes, put on my jacket. Those are great phrases to remember.
After that, I leave the house and go to work.
Same here. Sometimes I go to the office, and sometimes I work from home.
Oh, working from home, that's interesting. What do you do during the day when you work from home?
Well, I usually sit at my desk and use my computer. I check my emails, I write messages, and I sometimes have online meetings.
Nice. I do the same. Sit at my desk, write reports, and sometimes talk to my team on video calls.
After work, I usually take a break. I go for a walk or I listen to music.
That sounds relaxing. In the evening, I usually make dinner, then I watch TV or read a book.
Yeah, I usually cook something simple. Then I relax, watch something, or just scroll on my phone.
And then, time to sleep.
Yes, go to bed and sleep. Very important.
So today we learned a lot of useful verbs. Let's go over them together.
Wake up.
Get out of bed.
Brush my teeth.
Wash my face.
Take a shower.
Make breakfast.
Eat eggs, drink tea.
Get dressed.
Put on my shoes.
Go to work.
Sit at my desk.
Check emails, write reports.
Take a break.
Go for a walk.
Make dinner.
Watch TV.
Go to bed.
Try repeating these words with us.
Exactly. Repetition is your best friend when learning English.
Again and again. That's how you remember them. All right, friends, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed talking about daily routines with us.
And now it's your turn. What do you do every day?
Tell us in the comments or write a short routine for practice.
And don't forget to like, follow, and share this podcast with your friends.
See you next time on Easy English Journey Podcast.